Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Cheese.
Cheese na cheese in ice cream.
Eso.
Oh. Ano ha? Pag-arong, another.
Ketchup.
Leche flan. Social. Social na halo. Another. Nangka. Ice. Very good. Another. Mango. And you all here? Mais.
Lubi.
Cream. Very good. Alright, this game is what we call the Halo game. Alright. Put your two hands at the side, boys. No, there is a new hawak there, sorry. Because the four main ingredients of the Halo are banana, papaya, mango, and avocado. Here we go. But you need to follow me so that you will not be out. Kaya kung ma-out mo, sayaw mo sunga. Either you like it or not. Here we go. Let's do this. Sundan ako. Ready? If I say banana, do it like this. Banana. Faster. 1, 3, go. Banana. Kana. Papaya sa liyo. Faster. Mango sa too. Sa too. Asa ang right. Here we go. Diri ang right. Avocado sa wala. Faster. Let's do it again. 1, 3. Banana. Papaya. Mango. Avocado. Again. Faster. Banana. Papaya. Mango. Avocado. Kung ma-repeat ang banana, do it like this. Banana. If I repeat the banana, follow me. Banana. Banana. Very good. We